Hello everybody, today I will be making a jet. So fold your paper first in half. You want to perfect it to be the best lined. Then unfold it. Then fold it all the way completely and make sure there's no extra space or any excess space anywhere. Now this might be a little hard. And then like that. Then unfold it. Refold it. But then the other way. I'm sorry I haven't been posting videos in a long time. I just haven't had the correct. I didn't have any time because I have a lot of things to do, like classes and stuff. So yeah. But please subscribe to my channel if you're not sure. Maybe watch my other videos and then consider it. I don't have a lot of videos. I just started this, so yeah. Make sure that this is pointy at the top. Make sure it's perfect. Okay, then turn it to the back. And and put it to that, like this. Then do this. It shouldn't be completely, but kind of at the completely. Okay. See, yeah. So then you need this and turn it kind of I guess like this. And then, oh yeah, and then do that. So keep. So yeah, like that. Okay. So then over here, you want to bend it like this. Now this might not make sense, but you have to do it like this, like that. Then you fold it down like that. You go like this, and there, people, this is done. It won't fly. Well, I'm not sure about that. I've never tested this out, but yeah. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you enjoyed making this with me today. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this episode. And bye, guys.